Why everyone is talking about Brazil. The untold story mainstream media won't show you. Why are so many people on YouTube suddenly obsessed with Brazil? The answer might surprise you. Disclaimer: the views and opinions expressed in this video are based on independent research and personal experiences. While we strive to provide accurate and balanced content, this video is not intended to replace professional travel advice or official information sources. Always do your own research and consider multiple perspectives when planning your travels. Rags2 Travel does not endorse or represent any specific organization or entity mentioned in this video. In this video, we're diving into why Brazil is capturing the hearts of travelers and creators alike, while mainstream media fails to show the whole picture. Stick around to find out what makes Brazil so special and why it's worth adding to your travel bucket list. Brazil beyond the headlines. When you think about Brazil, what comes to mind? For many, the images are shaped by what they see in the news: crime, political unrest, and environmental challenges. These are the stories that often dominate the headlines, painting a picture of a country in turmoil. But is this the full story? Absolutely not. While these issues are real, they don't define the entirety of Brazil. Mainstream media has a tendency to focus on the negatives, often overlooking the vibrant culture, the breathtaking landscapes, and the incredible warmth of the Brazilian people. Welcome to Rags2 Travel, where we explore the stories of countries on the rise. Today, we dive into the incredible journey of Brazil, a nation that's capturing the world's attention. Everyone is talking about Brazil today, but are they really seeing the full picture? The untold story that mainstream media won't show you? Let's find out. This is where YouTube comes in. Over the past few years, there has been a noticeable shift in how Brazil is portrayed online, especially by independent content creators. These YouTubers are traveling to Brazil, not just to visit the popular tourist spots, but to dive deep into the heart of the country, showcasing its true essence. Through their lenses, we see a Brazil that is bursting with life, where every corner is a story waiting to be told. These creators are capturing the vibrant culture that's alive in the music, the dance, and the daily lives of ordinary Brazilians. They're highlighting the beauty of Brazil's natural landscapes, from the sprawling Amazon rainforest to the pristine beaches along the coastline. They're also revealing the warmth and hospitality of the Brazilian people, something that rarely makes it to mainstream news. Whether it's sharing a meal with a local family or being welcomed at a community event, these creators are experiencing and sharing a side of Brazil that the world needs to see. In doing so, these independent voices are offering a balanced view. Yes, Brazil has its challenges, but it also has immense strengths and a unique charm that can't be overlooked. They're showing the world that Brazil is more than just a headline. It's a country of incredible beauty, diversity, and potential. And people are paying attention. These videos are resonating with audiences, attracting millions of views, and sparking a newfound interest in Brazil. Viewers are discovering a country they never knew existed, one that's full of life, color, and opportunity. Top reasons people are drawn to Brazil. Let's start with one of the most compelling reasons people are drawn to Brazil: its diverse landscapes. Imagine stepping into the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest on the planet, teeming with life. Here, nature reigns supreme, with towering trees, vibrant flora, and wildlife that's as diverse as it is breathtaking. But the Amazon is just the beginning. Brazil is blessed with stunning beaches that stretch for miles, where the turquoise waters meet golden sands. Whether you're in Rio de Janeiro's famous Copacabana or exploring hidden gems along the coast, Brazil's beaches are some of the most beautiful in the world. And let's not forget the awe-inspiring Iguazu Falls, a natural wonder that leaves every visitor speechless. From the rainforest to the coast, Brazil's landscapes are a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Next up is Brazil's rich culture, a tapestry woven from diverse influences, creating something truly unique. Music is the heartbeat of Brazil, with rhythms like samba and forró filling the streets. It's impossible to talk about Brazilian culture without mentioning Carnival, the world's biggest party, where the streets come alive with color, music, and dance. Carnival is just one expression of a culture that's both lively and profound. From the graceful moves of capoeira to the mouth-watering flavors of traditional Brazilian dishes, every aspect of life here is infused with a sense of joy and creativity. It's a culture that welcomes everyone with open arms, inviting you to join in and experience it for yourself. Another reason people are flocking to Brazil is the incredible value it offers travelers. Whether you're a backpacker on a budget or looking for a luxurious escape, Brazil has something for everyone. Accommodations are affordable, ranging from charming hostels to upscale hotels. You can enjoy delicious street food for just a few reais and explore iconic landmarks without breaking the bank. Brazil is a destination where you can experience the best of both worlds. High-quality experiences at a fraction of the cost compared to other global destinations. Whether you're surfing in Florianopolis, hiking in Chapada Diamantina, or dancing the night away in Sao Paulo, Brazil offers endless opportunities for adventure that won't empty your wallet. And perhaps the most memorable aspect of any trip to Brazil is the people. Brazilians are known for their friendly and welcoming nature. Whether you're in a small village or a bustling city, you'll find a sense of community and warmth that's hard to match anywhere else. Visitors often talk about how quickly they felt at home in Brazil, thanks to the genuine hospitality of its people. Brazilians take pride in sharing their culture and making sure every guest leaves with unforgettable memories. Whether it's a shared meal, a spontaneous conversation, or an invite to a local festival, the connections you make here will last a lifetime. So, when you think of Brazil, think beyond the headlines. Picture a country rich in natural beauty, vibrant in culture, accessible for all types of travelers, and filled with people who are eager to share their world with you. This is the real Brazil, a place that continues to captivate the hearts of those who visit. YouTube's role in shaping Brazil's image. In recent years, YouTube has become much more than just a platform for entertainment. It's evolved into a trusted source for travel advice and cultural insights. When it comes to Brazil, YouTube content creators are playing a pivotal role in reshaping the country's image on a global scale. These creators aren't just showing the popular tourist spots. They're diving deep into Brazil's hidden gems, sharing their personal experiences with authenticity and passion. It's this kind of storytelling that's changing perceptions about Brazil, moving beyond the stereotypes and headlines to reveal a country rich in culture, beauty, and hospitality. Take, for example, vloggers like Kara and Nate, who brought their millions of viewers along as they explored the Amazon rainforest, or Flying the Nest, who showcased the vibrant life of Rio de Janeiro's favelas. These creators immerse themselves in local culture, offering their audiences a first-hand look at the true essence of Brazil. Then there's Gabriel Traveler, who's made a name for himself by diving deep into the places he visits, often spending extended periods of time in countries like Brazil. His videos offer a raw and unfiltered look at what it's really like to travel through Brazil, from the bustling streets of Sao Paulo to the serene beaches of Bahia. What sets these YouTubers apart is their ability to connect with their audiences on a personal level. Their videos aren't just about beautiful landscapes or exciting adventures. They're about the human connections they make along the way. This kind of authentic storytelling resonates with viewers, helping them see Brazil through a new lens. And the impact is real. Viewers from around the world are discovering Brazil in ways they never would have through mainstream media. They're getting inspired by these creators to visit, to experience, and to fall in love with Brazil themselves. In many cases, these personal stories are more powerful than any traditional travel guide or news report. YouTube's influence is undeniable. These creators are not just sharing videos. They're building communities, fostering curiosity, and encouraging cultural exchange. Their influence is helping to balance the narrative about Brazil, showing it as the diverse, vibrant, and welcoming country that it truly is. So, the next time you're looking for the real story about Brazil, you might just find it on YouTube, where the voices of independent creators are shining a light on the Brazil that's waiting to be discovered. So, in conclusion, as we've seen, Brazil is so much more than what the mainstream media often portrays. It's a land of incredible beauty, rich culture, and the kind of warmth that stays with you long after your visit. Whether it's the diverse landscapes, the lively music and dance, or the welcoming nature of its people, Brazil offers an experience like no other. If this video inspired you to see Brazil in a new light, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear. What part of Brazil would you like to visit? Or if you've been to Brazil, what was your favorite experience? Let's get a conversation going. And if you enjoyed this video, stay tuned. I've got more exciting content coming up all about Brazil, from uncovering hidden beaches to diving into the vibrant celebration of Carnival. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on these adventures. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to explore more of Brazil with you in the next video. Até logo!